Hello, and welcome to Disney Performing Arts. We ask at this time that you please take a moment and silence all cell phones and other electronic devices. As a courtesy to our performers, there is no flash photography allowed. Now, it is our pleasure to present to you Disney's Broadway magic performance of Mary Poppins.
Jane, Michael, come along. We can't spend all day talking shop.
Talking shop? What kind of expression is that?
It's not silly at the least.
What do you buy in a talking shop?
Well, conversations, of course.
Well, I've never seen a talking shop.
Because there's only one, and it belongs to thee, Miss Corey.
Who's Miss Corey?
Who's Mrs. Corey? Why, she's the oldest woman who has ever lived.
And now we must go inside to meet her.
Inside where?
Well, anything can happen if you let it.
I've run out of conversation.
Good day to you, Miss Corey.
Well, if it isn't Mary Poppins with Jane and Michael there.
She knows us.
Of course I do. Now, Mary Poppins, what can I do for you?
I was looking to buy an ounce of conversation.
Well, I've run out of conversations and I've run out of words. You see, there's been a lot of chatterboxes in here today. But let's see what we've got.
Sorry.
Ooh, I do have some letters. And quite a lot of back chat, too. An ounce, you say? That'll be 15 letters. Go on, choose your pick.
Jane, you get 7.
I've got a D, G, R, U, L, and an I.
They're no good. You can't make a conversation out of them.
Michael, it's your turn. 7 more.
A, N, S, E, T, O, and P.
And I'll choose an X. Now, let's see what words we can make.
I see dog and cat.
Rantoflex, that's 9.
Like a tofu, that's 11.
Those don't count. You made them up.
What do you think has been made up? Words have been made up for years.
You know, you can use a letter more than once. Now let's see. Super, calif, fragilistic, sexy,
That's not a word.
Of course it is. And unless I'm very much mistaken, it's going to prove to be a very useful one. When trying to express oneself, it's frankly quite absurd.
To leaf through lengthy lexicons to find the perfect word.
A little spontaneity keeps conversation keen.